Hello friends, it's Lulu here from Grig, Stamate Interior Design Solutions. And today we are continuing our serene design voyage with the much anticipated second part of our series, Chic Nordic Design for Modern Apartments. In this episode, we are peeling back another layer of the Nordic design philosophy to reveal even more about creating a harmonious and cozy atmosphere in modern spaces. We'll show you how the simplicity of white and gray combined with the organic beauty of wood can transform any apartment into a chic and inviting home. Get ready to be inspired as we dive into the subtle elegance of a monochromatic color scheme, uncover the ingenuity behind space-saving furniture that doesn't skip on style. Share DIY decor ideas that will add a personal and sustainable touch to your living space. Whether you are a seasoned design enthusiast or just starting your journey, this video is packed with tips, tricks, and inspiration to help you embrace the minimalist charm of Nordic design in your own home. So grab a cozy blanket, settle in, and let's get started on this design adventure together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more interior design solutions that bring beauty and functionality into perfect harmony. Let's start with some fun facts about Nordic design that you might find interesting. Nordic design originated in the mid-20th century in the Nordic countries. It's known for its minimalist functional approach with an emphasis on high-quality materials and craftsmanship. The design often incorporates natural materials like wood and wool, drawing inspiration from the Nordic landscapes. This connection to nature is a hallmark of the style. While often associated with interior design, Nordic design principles have also made their way into fashion and graphic design. Design is a significant cultural export from the Nordic countries, with a reputation for beautiful, simple and clean designs that are inspired by nature and the northern climate. Did you know that Lego, the beloved building block toy, was invented in Denmark in 1932? Its name comes from the Danish words leggot, meaning play well. Another Scandinavian innovation is the Terra Pak packaging method, developed in 1951, which revolutionized the way we store and transport liquids. This fact highlights the rich history and the ongoing influence of Nordic design in our daily lives, from the furniture we sit on to the toys we play with, and even the packaging of our food and drinks. It's a testament to the enduring appeal and functionality of the Nordic aesthetic. As I have mentioned in the first part of our video series, wood is the heartbeat of Nordic design. It is the soul of Nordic interiors. It brings warmth and life to the monochromatic scheme in our featured apartment. Wood accents are found in the smooth flooring, the sleek furniture and the handcrafts decorations. It is a reminder of the forest, a touch of the outdoors brought inside. Just notice how the wood grain adds depth and a touch of nature to our urban dwelling. white, grey and wood. These are the colors of the Nordic palette, a color palette inspired by nature. They reflect the natural world, the purity of snow, the subtlety of stone, and the warmth of timber. Together they create a calming atmosphere that invites relaxation and reflections. Not to mention that here you can see how white and gray provide a canvas that makes the room feel larger and brighter. And there you have it, friends, a glimpse into the world of chic Nordic design where every detail is a blend of functionality and beauty. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through modern apartments that speak volumes with their simplicity and elegance. And if you are as passionate about interior design as we are, we invite you to join our community. Subscribe to Grig Stamate Interior Design Solution and don't miss out on our upcoming design adventure. Share this video with your friends and family who appreciate the touch of Nordic charm in their homes. And remember, your home is your canvas. Let's paint it with the timeless strokes of Nordic design. Until next time, stay inspired and keep creating spaces that bring joy and tranquility into your life. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!